Hello everyone, today we will talk about Calm Loop application. My application that I recently published on Google Play, fully done by me from 0 to 100%. It's a set of tools for mental health, which are the noises, sounds, music for concentration, relaxation, meditation, EMDR ball for EMDR therapy. People who know what is EMDR, they will understand. And also a calendar with notes and mood tracker with statistical data around it. If in my previous video I spoke about why and the importance of mental health, how I realized that I need to have something like this for me, I would like now to talk about the whole development process. Of course, if you're a solo developer, it's going to be very interesting for you. Also, I would like to touch a little bit of things like vibe coding, all of the negativity around it, the part of artificial intelligence right now, and also things like marketing, UI, creation of Google Play account, and all of these little questions that you need to ask yourself if you are a developer, and especially solo developer, because I believe that if you work inside of the company of software, it's a little bit different than rather if you want to bring something into life from zero just by yourself. It's totally different approaches, and I would like to talk about this right now. So before all of these things that I enlisted here, I would like to start from artificial intelligence and from the vibe coding criticism around. I would start from little story, my personal story about Calm Loop, right? I use artificial intelligence not only for coding, for pretty much everything right now. And there is a little conversation that happened to me already several times with people. And it's like I'm showing my application. And people ask me, it's your application or artificial intelligence did it? And I say, well, I use artificial intelligence also to do my application. But it's my application. And the answer to me is, no, it's not yours because it's artificial intelligence that you use it. So it's not your work. And this made me to realize one thing. Let's flip this conversation and look at this from another angle. You present your work to someone and you say, look, I did this. This is my application. And you've been asked. You used artificial intelligence for it. And it's 2025, you say, no, I'm avoiding it now with all my desire. Just, I don't want to use it. I don't want to use it. I don't want to use artificial intelligence. No, I just did it all myself. So my question is, how smart is it? So I don't know if that's only me. I don't know if it's something related to my previous experience or just because my biggest surrounding is people from IT. But this is very common conversation that I face. And this is very interesting also. Why there is such a big rejection of artificial intelligence, also vibe coding, etc., by people who worked in the industry for long years. I have my answer for it, and I just want to say that we were in this place already, and this was related to art. Maybe a couple of years ago, we had a situation with a whole movement around images generated by artificial intelligence, where people were manifesting and putting like block AI logos, like, no, it's forbidden in here, right? Which also has logic underneath, but we couldn't stop it. And my opinion around all of these scandals or discussions, etc., is if you can use it, if this is something that's going to help your business. You should do it. And this is the same as in the art. For example, right now, today, 2 years after, people who do art, who try to bring their meaning inside, who try to put the spirit, some deep idea, and it's their soul to do this art. They keep doing it. But let's say some, I don't know, maybe dentist who created Instagram page and he want to promote his service. What is the problem for him to use artificial intelligence? Why? Why he cannot? And do we say to him that, look, it's not your work if you place the image as advertisement in your Instagram profile? So the same is with the vibe coding, I believe. Nowadays, it's so easy and it's so open that the same doctor could create an application with appointments schedule, right? Can we blame him, or can we say to him that it's not you? Of course not. And at the same time, some more complex or more advanced things, of course, they would need to have a deeper participation inside of the code. So when I hear this super big criticism, or like, no, we should not use it, or like vibe coding is so terrible, I feel like two things. Like I feel there is some part is ego problem of maybe like people who scared that something gonna happen and that they used to work this way so much and they cannot accept the change. And also I feel like this is maybe not realization of appliance of this type of coding, because this opens the door for people who never did something like this. And with minimal knowledge of, I don't know, how to open Android Studio, right? You already can do something. So I think this is my personal opinion about the whole participation of artificial intelligence. I accidentally stopped recording. So anyway, as I was saying, this is my whole opinion, right, about this. And my next thoughts about other parts of development, which are marketing and stuff, I would really be happy to discuss. But now I realize that I'm out of time, and yeah. But yeah, about the vibe coding, I think it was very interesting. And I would be happy to hear more opinions around it. Yes. Also, I forgot one thing. The whole vibe coding. This is my book. And I wrote it long time ago already, actually. And this parallelism between art and the code, it's actually written in here. That is very, very similar. I think it's very interesting to take a look on it. Well, yeah, this is all. And I hope to be back soon, and I will continue my philosophical and experience stories around the whole IT stuff that is going on. So thank you all, and share your ideas and use whatever you can to make your things